Hi viewers, today we are going to see about how to file our Gstr 3B monthly return, which we have to file on 20th of this month. As government has announced that every individual dealer has to file their July month Gstr 3B on 20th of August, as it got mandatory, we got to file this within 20th of this month. Okay, let me see how to file this Gstr 3B. For this, first we have to open our Gstr web portal, that is www.gst.gov.in. In this home page, you can see an option called Return Dashboard. Click it. In the second page, you can see File Returns and then Financial Year. Here you have to select the year for which you want to file the return, and then month, that is return filing period. Now I am selecting July and clicking on search. Here you can see three options: details of outward supply of goods and services, and its due date is 20th September 2017 for August month. You can prepare this either online or prepare offline. As we have already discussed about preparing GSTR online in our previous video, if you have any doubt, you can see that video. And I will upload preparing offline GSTR1 form in detail by this weekend, so please watch it too. And the second one is GSTR2A, that is inward supplies, which will be auto drafted, and you can view it by clicking view button. And the third one is GSTR 3B. Its due date is 20th August 2017. Click here on prepare online. In this page, first check your GSTN TIN number and legal name, whether it is drafted correctly or not. And then go to the first option, tax on outward reverse charges inward supplies. Remember, outward supplies in terms mean sale made by us, and inward supplies means purchase made by us. In this, we have 5 sections. The first one is outward taxable supply, other than 0 rated, nil rated and exempted. As we all know, outward supplies denotes our previous month sales. Here we have to enter our previous month sales in detail. Under total taxable value, we have to enter the consolidated taxable sales value made by us, which should not include the tax rate. And consolidated means here we have to add all the sale bills which comes under the tax rate 5, 12, 18, 28, etc. And then enter the total sales value of the taxable goods in this column. And in integrated sales, add all the interstate or export sale tax rate made by us in the previous month, which means we have to add all the GST tax rate of those other state or export sales made by us in the previous month. And in central and state tax, we have to add all the intrastate sale tax rate made by us in the previous month, which means we have to add all the CGST tax rate, that is only 9% of 18% or 14 out of 28 in CGST and remaining 9 or 14 in SGST. And in the chess, if you made any export or interstate sales, if any chess rate applies, then enter it. And in section B, outward taxable supply zero rated, please note down, zero rated sales and exempted sales are different. Don't get confused in this. Under zero rated outward supplies, we have to enter the total of all the nil rated export sales made by us in the previous month. Here we are calling this as zero rated because the tax rate will be nil, but we can claim the ITC, that is input tax credit on purchase. Where in case of exempted, you cannot claim the input tax credit. That is the difference. So under section C, we have to enter the total exempted sale value of previous month. In section D, inward supplies liable to reverse charges. Here we have to take all the unregistered purchase made by us in the previous month from a dealer whose day purchase exceeds more than 5,000 rupees and enter the respective tax rate. And in section E, non-GST outward supplies, enter the total value of sales made by us to unregistered dealer in the previous month and then click on confirm. By clicking on confirm, all the details made by us will be saved, and then at the bottom of the page you can see save GSTR 3B. Click it. Since I am showing this video, I am not saving any details, so there won't be anything displayed in this column. But if you say every details, it will be displayed over here. And under section 3.2, supplies made to unregistered person, here we have to enter the total interstate sales made by us to unregistered dealer in the previous month. Under place of supply, select the state for which you have supplied and then its total sale value, then its integrated tax rate, that is total IGST for it. Since it is interstate sales, there won't be any CGST or SGST in it, only IGST will appear. And click on add if you want to add more details. Similarly, if you made unregistered interstate sales to more other state dealers, enter its detail as before and save it. You can do it for n number of times as you want. In section B, supplies made to composition tax person. Here we have to enter the sales made to the dealer who have registered their business under composite schemes. As usual, the place of supply, that is the state, and total taxable value and amount of integrated tax. And click on add if you want to add more details. And same to supplies made to UIN holders. UIN means unique identification number holders. It means non-residential taxpayer. That is the person who may be either NRI or works in abroad. Add the details of them in it. And then click on confirm. Then once again click on save GSTR 3B. Every time we have to click on save GSTR 3B to save our details. And then section 4, eligible ITCs. Under this section, ITC available, whether full or in part. In this one, import goods, here you have to enter the total value of integrated tax, that is the IGST that we got from all our previous month import purchase, and if any cess apply, enter here. Similarly, for import services, that is any international services made by us and its total taxable value. And under inward supplies liable to reverse charges, here you have to enter all the advance taxes which you have paid against our bought not purchase plus cancellation of purchase with advance payment and purchase returns. So we have to enter all the tax rates which we get from the above options in total here. Under inward supplies from ISD, here you have to enter all the tax reversed which you receive from input tax distributor. And the fifth one, all other ITCs. Here you have to add the ITCs which you got from various purchases or services made for our company. That is like purchasing a computer or servicing it, or purchasing an air conditioner or machineries, which all comes here. The next one, under ITC reversed, enter the total ITC amount has been reversed under IGST, CGST and SGST over here, and click on confirm. And then click on save GSTR 3B. Under section 5, exempt, nil and non-GST inward supply. Here you have to enter all the exempted, nil rated and non-GST purchase made by us in the previous month in both interstate and intrastate purchase, and click on confirm. And then click on save GSTR 3B. And under section 5.1, here you have to enter all the interest or penalties for paying late tax or filing return lately along with its late fees. And click on confirm, and finally click on save GSTR 3B. So this is the way how you have to file your GSTR 3B for this month. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe Little Clown channel.